So today I'm on a brand new permission, and as you guys can see, I'm standing in between cattle pens, and this is the war against ground squirrels. Now let me tell you, there are so many ground squirrels in this area that they cause so much damage to the infrastructure here that some of the posts of the fences are starting to fall over, the vegetation is completely ruined, and there are just so many ground squirrel nests around here, you won't believe it. I'll show you in a bit so you guys can see what's going on here. So today I'm going to try to be very responsible with what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to shoot sometimes in the pens, but there are some open spaces where I am obviously going to shoot as well. I'm looking for backstops, places where no cattle will be, so like I say, I can be very responsible with what I'm doing today. So my air rifle of choice for today is going to be the beautiful Daystate Alpha Wolf that I've converted into a tactical version, and the reason for that is it mounts so nicely onto this man belly tripod, and it makes my life so much more comfortable when shooting over fences and stuff like that, especially with the grass being a little bit long here and there. This setup is very unique. So regarding the ammo that I'm shooting and the velocity, I'll give that to you in a little bit. The scope that I'm using is a Vector Optics Paragon 4x20 second focal plane scope. It's a very small compact scope that makes this whole setup a little bit more lightweight. And then the silencer in front is a local manufacturer here in South Africa called SA Air Rifle. So thank you to Ian for sending me the moderator. It works very well. So that's basically setup wise. Let's go have some fun and see what today will bring to us. So sit back, relax and enjoy. This one is also at 42 meters. I just have to see if my hold is going to be enough. I don't think I need to hold anything, to be honest. So it's very strange. I have a slight breeze coming from my left to my right hand side. So let's see. I only see its head, so let's see. Headshot. Headshot. Three beauties. That was at 42 meters, so I'm not sure what I did with the first one that I shot. Now I'm going to show you guys now what I'm shooting with ammo wise, and I think this is more than enough than for power wise what I need for. So I'm shooting at around 95 feet per second, but like I said, I'm going to show you now what I'm shooting with. I think I must go collect those 3, but it was damn spot on with those shots. First shot on those 3 was completely bad. I forgot about the wind, but if it wasn't for that, I don't think all 3 would have came out of that hole. So everything works out for a reason. I'm very happy. I think I should go and collect them quickly. I quickly want to show you guys the amount of destruction these ground squirrels cause in the infrastructure around here. So it's not just the food, but obviously the area where they stay, where they cause problems. Now obviously they try to make nests as close as possible to a food source, and because there's so much cattle around here, they tend to make their nests or homes or whatever you want to call it very close to where the cattle are staying. So right where I'm standing now is actually where I shot those 3 ground squirrels, and I just want to show you how it looks like here. Now the gates are open. I'll show you now, like right here behind me, this gate is open, so those cattle are basically free to come into the area where I'm standing now. So at night when they walk around, obviously they can't really see the holes. They step in these holes, they break their legs or get injured, and at the end of the day it's costing the farmer quite a bit of money, you know, to look after these cattle, get them better again. So I'm going to turn the camera around just to show you. So right here you can actually see just how it looks like. There's so many holes here, like right there. That whole area is a nest. So they really destroy all the grass around here and then make these big holes that they use for their nests. And like I say, some of the cattle step in it and they really get badly injured by it. Like for instance here next to this this fence line as well, you can just see it's causing instability in the ground here, and then obviously posts will fall over because of the holes, and yeah, it really makes things just a little bit difficult for the farmer to attend to, and that's the reason why I'm here, to see if I can just keep the numbers under control. So obviously I won't be able to shoot all of them, but what I do, I try to do in a responsible way. Shot, man, 45 meters. I was actually scared of the fence wire, but I think it was just high enough for me to pass that pellet through, so I'm very happy with that shot. 50-meter shot on a dove, and I had to halt a little bit for the wind. And I think this is going to bring me to where I speak about my ammunition today. Oopsie. Let me quickly show you guys. So today's ammo of choice is the H&N Baracuda Hunters. These ones are 18.12 grain, and they are hollow points. And the reason why I chose them are actually because of hoping they will expand when I shoot ground squirrels. So currently I'm shooting these pellets at 895 feet per second. So it doesn't have a ton of power, but it has enough power to take the ground squirrels down, and even the doves that I'm shooting. But like I said, I really hope they do expand, that I don't really get a lot of pass-throughs, which will lead to more ethical kills and more safer shots. So far it's working really well, and as you can see, that a low powered air rifle not shooting slugs can also be very ethical when doing pest control. So with the setup that I have now, I'm really happy with it. It's not really loud, it's very economical in air, it's really accurate, and I would say it's very safe as well. So yeah, that's the setup today, and as you guys saw now with that last shot, it worked perfectly. Smoked him. That wasn't really far, 30 meters, but he did the job very well, so I'm very happy so far. Oh, whoa. What a solid shot. That was a cracking shot. I just love shots like that. That was an instant kill at 47 meters. And you're probably wondering, why am I not shooting very far? It's just trying to keep it ethical. I would rather be closer, get a clean kill, then a little bit further away and just mess that shot up completely. So that's the only reason I'm doing stuff like that today. I'm working with a lower powered air rifle, so yeah. Again, not too far, about 30 meters, but you could hear that impact with these pellets. I think they do expand very well, so very happy again. Alright, I think this is where the video is going to end for today. The sun is setting quite fast now, and I quickly want to pack my things up and take a drive through the whole farm. Maybe I will spot something interesting. If I do so, I will definitely add it in the video. If not, then unfortunately this is where the video is going to end. But thanks for watching, I really do appreciate it. And if you like this type of videos, yeah, give it a thumbs up, then I'll know to make more of them. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please consider doing so. And yeah, again, thanks for watching the video. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.